View control in AutoCAD 3D. This is a 3D view. This 3D view, how you require, you can make 3D view control. If you go here, you can see a view control here. Just click this one, and here it is, view control. If you click here, you can see lots of views: top view, bottom view, left, right, south, west, southeast, northeast, northwest, like that. Few view control you can see here. Same tool you will get it in this view toolbar. If you click here, you can see the same, the view control. If you click this top, you will get it top view, and if you select this bottom, you will get it the bottom view, and left view, the right view, front view, and back view. And if you need the 3D view, the next one it is southwest, and the next one southeast, and northeast, and the northwest. So this is the way you can make this view control. This is default views. The first method, this one, you can select here, or you can select here, or you can use view cube. We will see next lecture about this view cube, but you can add here your custom view also. Sometime you made any 3D model and some specific location, specific direction only you like to make. If you need to make orbit, just press the shift key and press the mouse center button. You can make like this. Normally if you press this mouse center button, you can make pan only. Press shift key and press mouse center button, you can make orbit like this. So when you make 3D modeling, always you cannot use this tool, so you just make shortcut and you can make that one. Now something you arrange like this, always you require this view, so you can make your custom view. Go to the view manager and click this new view, and I just make it my view and click OK. If you want, you can make the region and all, and I just click OK and apply and click OK. Now I just press this shift and I just made like this, or if I made this southwest or something. Now I need my view. If I click this my view, it will turn to the my view. So this is the way to control view control in AutoCAD 3D.